Alright guys, so today I am going to be reacting to my slimes I made 2 years ago and I never played with them. So for the first one it looks like this. It looks all old. For the second one I made 2 years ago it looks like this. So this is how I made it. I used Ellesmere glue and washing detergent and I never played with it for 2 years. This one I used shampoo and flour and I never played this one for 2 years. So I'm going to be reacting to it. So I'm going to take this one out. It's like all nasty and hard. It's like, look at this, guys. It's so nasty and hard. It still smells like slime, but it's all nasty and hard. Ew. And it just feels so weird. Ugh. It's like you can't really play with it. It's just so hard and moldy and mildew. Like so hard. If I like take it apart. Ugh, so nasty. Look how it's like getting all that residual getting on my fingers. Ew. And if I do this, you can't really do anything. It just comes apart. It's nasty. Ugh. You can't poke it or stretch it. It's just gonna come apart. And look, there's hair in it for some reason. Alright, so this is disgusting. Like, I'm gonna throw this away. Next, I got the old and ugly purple slime. Like, this stuff is kind of hard. This stuff is hard, guys. This stuff is, like, hard. Solid hard. Look at it. This thing's solid hard. It's, like, hard. It's, like, solid hard. Like, ugh. And you can't stretch it. It feels like hard Play-Doh, but dried out. Try to, like, squeeze it. Ew, ew. It's, like, it's so nasty and ew. So, like, if I just... It's just thick. See? It looks like wax from a crayon. Compared to this and this, I'd rather choose this one because it's much softer. I can use it as a, like when I'm mad, I can use it as a stress bar. Like, this one I can't because it's like, but you can't like play with this as like Play-Doh. Like Play-Doh, it's like when you keep playing with it, like right now, when you keep playing with it, it's gonna get soft. So it's gonna get even softer. That's why I like. But the solid parts are like not hard because I made this way back in 2016 or 17, and it's like really hard. This one's the softest one. It feels good. See, it's like so like a hard piece compared to a soft piece. See? And then a hard piece compared to like a hard piece compared to this piece. Alright guys, so I advise you don't make slime and don't play with it for 2 years because this is what it's gonna look. It's gonna get like really hard. Super duper hard, and it's gonna look terrible. Like I'm about to throw this away. Because this is all nasty. Yeah. Especially this because it's all gooey and stuff. And it's all nasty. Ugh. Alright guys, so you like this video, subscribe. Remember, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. So if you like this video, comment down other slime videos you will want me to do and turn on post notifications. So if every time I make a new video, you will see it. And smash the like button if you did like this video. Hit the thumbs down button. It won't hurt my feelings. And also, I want to get to 100 subscribers because I already have 3 subscribers. So subscribe. Alright, bye.